Welcome to Sienna. Our new listing is a showstopper located in the Heritage Park subdivision at 1619 Rosedale Drive. Let's take a tour. We are excited to present this gorgeous home built by Newmark Homes in 2021 that features 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. Entering the home, you're welcomed by the stunning tile floors that lead you to the study and secondary bedroom down. You'll love entertaining guests in this open floor plan and updated chef's kitchen with an expansive island with bar stool seating, stainless steel appliances, and quartz countertops. The kitchen opens up to the dining room and 2-story living room. The first floor primary bedroom includes tall ceilings, while the primary bathroom includes dual sinks, a garden tub, and a walk-in shower with a spacious walk-in closet. The upstairs features 3 secondary bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. This space also includes a large game room and media room. With no neighbors behind and an extended covered patio, this home's greatest feature is its spacious backyard. You'll really feel the sense of community here in Sienna. For more information about 1619 Rosedale Drive, contact the Sandstone Group so we can show you why this is the perfect place for you and your family to call home.